And you know who else is pretty good? Camille Harris. So here to sing Finch and Linnet Bird from Sweeney Todd is our very own Camille Harris.
Finch and linnet bird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you sing? Oh, can you jubilate, sitting in cages, never taking wing? Outside the sky waits beckoning, just beyond the bars. How can you remain staring at the rain, maddened by the stars?
That was amazing. Sometimes I forget she can do that. We have a lot of fun, you know, here on the main show. Sometimes I forget there's like real talent in the room.